This is a 1929 Model A. Had some small things that were wrong with it. Well, small, we thought small at first. He had a wobble originally while he was driving. He said anything over 10 miles an hour, the whole left side of the car would start shaking. And we found this. Whoever put this car together decided to use an impact on both driver's side wheels, and they actually split both rims entirely. Which, in doing that, they had so much force on it that the wheel started shaking and kind of loosening everything up. But we have, on that cart right there, we have the new wheel that's going to be painted. It's going to be painted, and then we're going to move a tire onto it. And then we've got small things like his horn. The contactors on the motor are sticking, so the motor's not working anymore. Couldn't get anything even putting power to it. This old horn, I believe this is original too. And then we have things like this. This is your fuel bowl or fuel glass. So this sits up in here. Let me open this side. But this sits up in here, and there's supposed to be a filter inside of there, that basically a particulates filter that's supposed to filter out garbage in your fuel. There was no filter in it, and there was a lot of stuff in the bottom of it, and he had some other small leaks. So we have a filter on order. He had a radiator hose that was busted, so we ordered another one. We need to flush out his radiator, but it's coming along. This one is just purely mechanical. But yeah, this is the oldest car I have ever worked on.